All right, this is smoke test day 3. I said I might skip a couple of days. I had some things come up. Didn't get a chance to do them in the past 2 days, but hopefully that means there's lots of improvements here. I know there is because I saw Kian's demo yesterday. So let's just go through it, right? So we want to go to the test project. Obviously, we're right here now. I want to search for the joke agent. So to use agents in your project, we still have to explore the AI catalog at the explore level. And we can find the joke agent by searching joke. There we go. We can see the demo. So see the agent, the demo agent. We can see all of the system prompts and everything. Then we can enable that in our project. Catalog test. There we go. This one. It'd be nice if we could do this without leaving the project, but it's fine. We can do that for now. Now I have to go back to my project. So we could search for it. We could add it to the project. Yeah, this is a bit wonky the way you have to get back to it, but it is what it is. It's fine. We can improve this. Now I want to chat to it. Let's see. Joker demo. It's right there. What can we use? Okay, let's say deadlines. So this agent, if you've not watched this before, this just creates a joke about a topic that you give it based on you personally, right? Or me in this case, because I'm the one running it. Hey Sam, as an engineering manager for the workflow catalog, great, it works, right? The jokes are always terrible, but that's fine. Okay, we can do that. We can remove the agent. There we go, we've removed it. I'm curious, can I still chat to it? Not part of the test, just curiosity. Yes, you can. So even after it's removed from your project, you can still chat to it if the window's still open. But I imagine if I refresh, yeah, there we go. Now it's no longer available. Okay, whatever, we can remove it. New agent. I said I wanted to add something about tools in this. I've still not got around to that, so we're going to ignore tools again. Smoke test agent 25 11 13. This one just passes butter. Again, this source project thing's still here. That's because I've not created an issue for us to fix this. But again, this is small tweaks. It's fine. Only respond with the phrase, here is your butter. We'll skip tools for now, although I will test that eventually. Okay, so we create a new agent, add it to the project. I believe this still happens automatically because I'm in my project still. This is going to get very weird when we add the agent identity stuff. This is why it's in the list, but right now that works. Chatting to it, I believe. Oh, what happened there? Oh, right, yeah, this is because I've not refreshed the page. My list of available agents hasn't refreshed. I'd like it if we could change that. But again, it's a small usability tweak. If I do refresh the page, oh, okay. That's interesting. Huh. Okay, so let's uncheck add it to the project because we've not added it to the project, even though it looks like we have. That's changed. I assume that's a bug. Maybe I have to go back to the catalog. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so it doesn't automatically enable anymore. I said that was going to change. It did change. It changed silently and made it look like it was a thing that it could still do. That's not ideal, but it is there now. And now I can edit the project. I've clicked off chat to it, but I assume I can. Here's your border. Okay. Let's edit it. That's the description. Let's see if I can spell. Again, I'm not actually testing the agent itself. I'm just testing the curation of everything. So I imagine this will work in the same way where, yeah, it needs refreshing. Hopefully this is still available this time. Oh, well, you can see it updated because the capitalization is different. Again, I'm not testing the agent. This is fine. That worked as expected. It respected my changes, I guess, although I had to refresh the page. This refreshing is not great. We should probably fix that. Now I need to delete it, so I can delete it there. Perfect. That worked. Flows. Basically doing exactly the same stuff with flows. Got the test project for here. Find an existing flow. Boom, 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 boom. I wonder what this is. Echo installing GitLab. Sure, let's try that. Oh. Aha, right, okay, so we've changed the UI of that now, so it only says enabling group. That's good, because that is what we want. It's a little bad because I forgot the name of the group. Demo Ultimate Dev AI Epic, that's the one, right? So the group is demo. There it is. And we can enable it for that group. Okay, so I've got an existing project, I found an existing flow, add it to the group. Now I need to add it to the project. Again, the UX of this isn't great, but we can work on that because I now need to go back to the project and enable flow from group. Now I have a bunch that are available in here. These must have been added. I'm guessing this is Kian doing his demo. We'll add this test flow. We'll enable it. I've added it to the project. Can I assign it an MR? Where are my merge requests? No, I don't know what this flow will do. So if I assign, yeah, that's the other thing. Assign what? It's not obvious what name of this is. I think I ran into this last time I did the test. Let's look at the triggers, which have now been renamed to triggers. That's good. Auto create triggers for test flow. The owner is called AI test flow. That's a different one. So I think what I need to do is, and I believe this is what Kian was saying in his demo as well, I need to add the AI test flow agent to this project. And this is AI test flow. this one, I think. And give it developer access. We'll invite that. Yes, this is clunky. I know that's being worked on. So in theory, now if I go back to my merge request, this one, I should be able to assign AI test flow. There he is. See what happens. Oh, it works. Agent has started. You can view the progress here. This won't actually do anything because if I go back to the definition of the flow, it doesn't do anything. It just says echo installing GLab. So I'm not expecting a response on this, but like it works, right? Like we'll have to find one that can actually do something a little better for the next one. Okay, so next I want to remove this from the project. Yeah. Remove. Just check it removed the trigger. It did. Did it remove the member? Probably not, because we had to manually add the member. AI test. Yeah, okay, it didn't remove the member. I assume that's scheduled along with the automatic addition of them. We'll also want to assign them. Just saves me a job. Okay, so that works. It's still a little clunky. It's still difficult to find out what the name of the agent is that you need to mention. But it's working, right? That's good. I'm happy about that. Remove the project, remove it from the group. Yeah. Flows. This one. Remove. There we go. So now let's test creating a new flow. Oop. We go plan. No, we go automate. Flows. New flow. What we're actually going to do this one, add to a project, mention it in an issue. Okay. We'll keep it private. Again, this thing can disappear. The problem I have with this is I actually I don't know the syntax of how to create a flow, by heart. It's a little complicated. There's no links to the docs here. I'll prepare one for next time, but for one of the future times. But this blank space experience is not great. We should fix this. There's ways we can do it, but yeah, I'm just going to stop the smoke test here. Like, I assume we can do these. I assume it's going to work basically the same as it did for assigning the flow that I found. It's just going to be a little weird right in the YAML. But this is the point. It's progress, right? Like we're getting a lot closer. We're showing the progress as we're going along here. Eventually we'll be doing these things, and I can do everything. They just might be a little wonky, and then we can start fixing all the wonky bits. So yeah, that's it for me today.